Hello दोस्तों, good morning and welcome to Manali. In today's episode, sadly we are leaving Manali. Most probably ये एपिसोड रहेगा हमारा लास्ट एपिसोड इस सीरीज़ का. So it's 6 a.m. right now and we are traveling towards Buntar Airport which is in Kulu. आज का वीडियो आई फील बहुत ही सिंपल रहेगा because we'll be just traveling from Manali to Delhi. So after a good drive of about 1 hour 15 minutes, we are here at Buntar Airport. It's 7 a.m. right now and we have just reached the airport. Abhi, I'm feeling very sleepy to be honest with you, and this weather is making me even more sleepy. But कोई नहीं, आगे जाएंगे, अपना लगेज चेक इन करेंगे, बोर्डिंग पास लेंगे एंड मिलता हूँ आपको कुछ ही देर में इन द फ्लाइट. These heaters at the airport are really very useful. So after checking in our luggage and getting the boarding pass, I have some time. So it's time for a quick nap.
वाह, क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
Thank you. After that short nap, it's time to board the aircraft. This is probably one of the best runways which I've ever seen in my life. It's so beautiful. In between the mountains, oh my god, this looks just amazing.
अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधने के लिए मेटल टिप को बक्कल में डालें. पट्टी खींचकर उसे कस लें और इस तरह ढीली करें. पेटी खोलने के लिए फ्लैप उठाएं और इस तरह अलग कर लें. कैबिन में हवा का दबाव कम हो जाने पर यह नकाब अपने आप नीचे आ जाएंगे. अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहें और ऑक्सीजन का प्रवाह शुरू करने के लिए यह आवश्यक है कि आप इसे अपनी ओर खींचें और नाक मुंह ढककर सांस लेते रहें. दूसरों की सहायता करने से पूर्व अपना नकाब ठीक से पहन लें.
This plane might be small, but it gives one of the best views of the mountains around you. Just check it out.
One hour later.
And after another quick nap, we are finally in Delhi. For this time around in Delhi, I've just come here for taking some rest because Manali trip was definitely a vacation, but I was working in a way in creating content. So these 2 days in Delhi will be my vacation. We have relatives over here, so I'll just crash at their place and relax. So officially this travel series comes to an end with this video. Hope you have watched all the 7 episodes of this travel series because they are worth it. Also let me know which episode was your favorite in the comment section below. And with that,
the 2022 season comes to an end. Good night.
Thank you so much for being a part of this digital family. Hope to see you all next year as well.